Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the DOT code on the tire sidewall. It's stamped near the rim bead. Once found, make sure you read the last 4 digits. They tell you the week and year of manufacture. If the code is hard to see, wipe away dirt and use a flashlight. You might need to rotate the tire to view the inner side. Remember to compare tires on the same axle because you want matching age and wear. You now decode the numbers. Read the last 4 digits as week then year. For example, 2319 means manufactured in the 23rd week of 2019. That's late May or early June. If you see a 3-digit code, that's from before 2000 and needs special handling, treat it as older stock. Once done, note the age for each tire and compare it to the vehicle's recommended replacement window. You finish by assessing whether the tire's age requires replacement. Manufacturers advise replacement between 6 and 10 years depending on storage and use. Once you've checked the DOT date, inspect for cracks, bulges, and uneven wear. Those signs accelerate replacement needs. If the DOT code is unreadable, remove the tire or check the valve area and inner sidewall. If you still can't find it, consult a tire shop. One quick tip: prioritize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.